So welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Tricks again, and today we are harvesting a capsicum, our first capsicum. So we have one here and around 3 to 4 on that plant there. It's time to harvest. So here we go. Keep part of the stem so it remains fresh. Now to the next plant. Now here we have around 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This one's a bit small, but I think it's ready to harvest because there are new flowers coming up. So I'll harvest them now. And here they are, all the capsicums. So this was the biggest one, which was only on one plant, and all these other 5 were on the other plant.